gentlemen, if we could have your attention for just a moment, we'd like to point out the safety features of this Boeing 737-800 aircraft. A safety information card is in the seat back pocket nearest you. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end to the buckle, pull the loose strap to tighten to release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt high and low across your hips and wear it anytime you are seated. There are 8 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 4 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to exits. In the event of evacuation, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. This aircraft is equipped with life rafts. 2 life rafts are located in the ceiling compartment in the front, and 2 life rafts are located in the ceiling compartment in the cabin. In the event of a water evacuation, there's a life vest under your seat. Pull the red strap and remove the pouch or container. Remove the vest from the pouch shown on the safety information card. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, buckled in the front, and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate. To manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. Your vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. We are coming by to make sure your seatbelt is fastened, your seat back and tray table are in the full upright and locked position, and your carrying items are completely under the seat in front of you and overhead bin, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking is not allowed on board the aircraft, including the lavatories. The use and charging of electronic cigarettes is prohibited. Federal law prohibits tampering with or disabling any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory, and it is also prohibited to consume any alcohol that you have brought with you on this flight. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with the lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew members' instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. And lastly, if needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop from a compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, securing it with the elastic straps, and breathe normally. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you are traveling with children or anyone needing assistance, please put your mask on first. And ladies and gentlemen, if you are wearing a personal face covering, please remove that prior to donning an oxygen mask. We are here for your comfort and safety, so please report any unwelcome business to a flight attendant. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your 54-minute flight to Orlando. Welcome aboard Southwest Airlines. seatbelts. Make sure your phones are in airplane mode. We have them cleared for departure. as long as they're in airplane mode. In a few minutes, flight attendants will be coming through to take your drink orders. They'll be serving complimentary soft drinks, juice, and coffee. Beer, wine, and liquor are also available for purchase or with a valid drink coupon. There is a beverage menu in your seat back pocket. Please take that out and look at what you'd like to drink. Figure out what you'd like to drink. There are lavatories in front and back of this aircraft. Flight signs indicate whether the lavatory is vacant or in use. Due to high security measures, it is prohibited to form a line to the forward lavatory.